Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my voice is clear, right?
Yes.
So last class, what we had discussed.
We have started the HTML basics. We discussed about tag and attributes.
Right. So have you tried by creating these tags? Everyone tried by this creating these tags or what?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me start with the next things. Okay. So next, we already seen about the tags which will come inside the head tag. Venkatesh, can you mute yourself? Okay, if you don't have anything to ask, if you don't have anything to tell in the sense, please mute your mic. Okay, whenever I'm asking question, then only you can unmute yourself. Okay, fine. So today we'll start with the tags which will be used inside the body tag. So which will be visible to users, right? So these tags, okay, these tags, whichever the things we are going to use within the body tags. So using that, we can able to add the contents. Using that, we can able to add the contents to our web page. Okay, so we will see one by one. Each tags I will explain clearly, and then the usage, how it will. We need to use the tag names, how it will display in the web page. Everything I will show you, right? So first thing, we are having the tag calls heading tags. We are having the tags called headings. What is heading? Heading in the sense, how it will look like headings. Headings, how it will look like. Tell me, guys. Headings means how.
Name of the website or anything.
I'm asking about heading, how it will look. That's my question. I'm not asking about what type of heading we need to use. That's kind of question I'm not asking. How it will look simply. Heading means. Heading means how it will look. Heading means it will be look in the block letters. That means bold letters. Am I right? Sir, no. So heading means
Yes.
sir.
topic
Yes.
means it will be in the block letters, bold
Yes.
letters, right? So we are
Yes.
having
Yes.
the tags called H1 to H6. We are having the tag called H1 to H6. Okay, so you can see this tag is having opening tag also, closing tag also. Okay, so H1, H2, H3, like that we are having till H6. Okay, so what are the difference between these 6 tags? In the sense like font size. That means font size for the specific tags. Okay, so H1 is having highest font size. Bindu, please mute your mic. Repeatedly I'm telling. Okay, so if you are unmute yourself in the sense like background noise is distracting others, right? Please mute yourself, right? I'm into head 6. So head 1 is having largest font size, highest font size. Head 6 is having lowest font size. Okay, you can able to see here head 1 to head 6, right? So my page is visible, right? Okay, so head 1 is having highest font size, head 6 having lowest font size, right? So you can see the block letters, the headings are in block letters, bold letters, right? And also the default font family for the HTML content is Times New Roman. Default font family is Times New Roman. 95% of the content will be in Times New Roman family in default. Only 5% it will be in different family for buttons, some other table content, some other things. Okay. Apart from that, only the Times New Roman family will be added to the content for this HTML programming. Okay. Initially, you can change this font family using the CSS property. We are going to see that. So we can change this font family also, right? Now, these are the heading tags we are having. Okay. Coming to next thing. Next tag is called as paragraph tag. Next tag is called as paragraph tag. So what is paragraph? What is paragraph? How it will look like? My voice is clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is paragraph? How it will look like? I'm asking about the look. The paragraph will be having some 4 to 5 lines of content. Okay, so it will be having some structured content, right? So here also, let me add one paragraph from Wikipedia page. I'm just copying this paragraph content. Okay, so you can add it here. Okay, within the paragraph tag. So paragraph tag also having opening tag as well as closing tag. Paragraph tag also having opening tag as well as closing tag. Okay, so now you can see in our page, we got a paragraph. We got a paragraph. Am I right? So it is having some default font size as well as default font family Times New Roman. Clear? Right? So
Yes.
this is how we can add the paragraph. Okay, first I
Yes.
will explain the tag and usage. Then in Bootstrap, we can able to design the pages. Okay, using this tag, I will ask you to design some web pages. I will give you some tasks. Okay, today also I will give you some tasks. So you need to work on the tasks. Clear? Fine. So heading tag is over, paragraph tag is over. Next, we are having tag called image tag. Next, we are having the tag called image tag. The use of image tag is to insert an image. Right? The use of image tag is to insert an image. Right? How will insert the image? Any idea?
We can just copy that path of the image where it is
By
located in the
using
desktop.
SRC and URL.
So, so we need to give the file path of the image
File path.
with the file name and then file extension, right? So where we can give in the sense, so this image is having only opening tag, right? So we'll be using one attribute. We'll be using one attribute. So the attribute name is source
SRC.
attribute. That's not an SRC, that is source. Okay, so don't tell me SRC. Okay, always remember that is a source attribute.
Source.
Okay, SRC is a
Okay.
short form. Okay, so that is source attribute. Okay, you need to tell me like that only. Clear, everyone? So that is source attribute where you can have the source of the file, where you can have the source of the file. Okay, so here let me download image from Google. Just go for IPL. I'm just downloading some image. Right, so I just download this image, so I can keep this image, downloaded image, right? So my image and my HTML file is in same folder. So what I can give in this, and directly I can give file name. I need to give, no need to give exact path because both path are same. Both path are same. If my image is in different folder, different location, then you need to give the exact path of the file. Then you need to give the exact path of the file. Okay, now my image also, my HTML file also in the same folder. Okay, then I can give directly file name. That is enough. No need to give the path because paths are same. Clear? Right? So
Yes.
let me refresh this page. You can see the image is inserted. The image is inserted. Okay. Then if I want to resize this image, I want to resize this image, what I can do in the sense, I can make use of attributes. I can make use of attributes like width and then height attribute. Okay, we can resize using CSS property also, but in HTML itself, for image resizing and other content resizing, we are having width and height attribute. So here you need to give the values in numbers. Okay, that means integers, like you can give directly like 200 in the sense 200 width. Like that 200 height means 200 height. Okay, you can give any values. Okay, only numbers, whole numbers. Only whole numbers you need to give. Clear? So automatically you will get the specific resize. Okay, let me have it zoom out here so that you can able to understand. Okay, so if we increase to 500, right, 500 width in the sense, so the image will increase. You can see. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So now, so this is my offline image. This is my offline image. That means downloaded image. If I want to link the online image, how can I do that? Any idea?
through URL.
Yes, that means like go for the image which you want to place it in your website. Okay. So what you can do is just right click on that image. You'll be having one option called copy image address. Please mute. Okay, you'll be having an option called copy image address. Okay, just click that. Automatically the image path will be copied, and then what you can do, you can paste it here. You can paste it here. So automatically the image path, this will be the online path. This will be the online path. Okay, so this path will work whenever you're connected to internet. Whenever you connected to internet in your system, then only this image will appear. Then only this image will appear. Understood? Clear, everyone? So always, anyways, our websites are going to be in live only. So if you're linking live images also, it's not a problem. Okay, automatically it will be fetched. Okay, sometimes while page loading, any internet connection is less. Okay, so anything is happening in the sense, you need to use that specific proper image, right? So you can use whatever the things you want. Okay, anyway, we are going to use our graphic design team designed images only in our website development, application development. So we are not going to download anything from internet. Okay, only some icons and that are only we'll be using from internet. But most of the times we'll be using the images which is designed by our graphic designing team. Okay, that images only we are going to use it. Clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fine.
Everyone is fine. Any doubt? Please confirm. Only 2% are responding. Other people are so silent. I don't want the silent. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Okay. Fine. Okay. So now, only
Sir.
small thing. Tell me.
Sir, I need re-explanation about a head topic, sir. About top and bottom head topics.
What?
Head topic, sir. Need re-explanation about this.
This one.
No, sir. This sir. Head what, sir? 22 to 27.
Okay. So these are the heading tags. Okay. So heading tags, we are having 6 types of heading tags. Why the 6 types in the sense? For based on font size. Based on font size, we can see in the output. So head 1 is having a larger font size. Head 6 is having smaller font size. So based on that, they have defined 6 heading tags. So headings means like it will be in block letters, bold letters, always. You maybe know, right? So headings always you can see in the Wikipedia page also. This is the heading, so it is in block letters. Okay, so all the headings will be in block letters only. So the heading tags also will be in black letters only. So we are having head 1 to head 6. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Understood, right? Fine.
Yes.
Now, right. So now, one more attribute is there in this image tag. We are having one more attribute that is called as alt attribute. That's called as alt attribute. So alt text, that means alternative text. The attribute full form is alternative text for your image. Okay, so why alternative text? In the sense, like simply, okay, whenever the image is not displayed due to some network issue, due to some file path incorrect, due to some file name incorrect, okay, then in this case automatically that alternative text will be displayed in the place of image insertion. Okay, so if you are not given the file name correctly, file path correctly, okay, the file is not loaded, the image is not loaded, then the alternative content text, image text will be displayed in your image inserted path. Okay, you can see the alternative text logo is displaying because I have given the file name wrong file name. Okay, instead of download.jpg, I have given down.jpg. Okay, so because of that, automatically that alternative text is displaying here. Understood? So this also you need to keep so that users also, we can also able to understand. So this is like a logo image. This is like a logo image, or this is like some different image. Okay, whatever the image you are placing, as per you can give the alternative text content. Okay, this is very important. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. That's it. Okay. Now,
Hello, sir.
tell me.
For alternative text, we can only use for text, or we also can use a logo. Can we use the logos or something like that for downloaded logos?
Logo, how you will use here?
Okay. Only the text we can use in alternate form.
I told alternative text.
Okay.
Then mean text only, right?
Yes.
Okay. Image you are already linking here. Then why again you need to link the image here? What is the purpose? You can't do.
Yes.
You can't do. The question itself wrong. Okay. You can't do that. Right? Fine. Coming to the next thing. Okay. So next tag is called as like anchor tag. Tag is called as anchor tag. So anchor tag, the use of anchor tag is used to link external page. That means pages is used to link pages. Okay, web pages, HTML page, anything like whichever the page which is displaying to this, so that page we can link using anchor tags. Okay, so website URLs like any other pages, website pages, any other HTML pages, any pages, web pages. Okay, we can link using this anchor tag. Okay, so how I can link in the sense using the one attribute called hyperlink reference. Using the attribute called hyperlink reference, href. Okay, the attribute full form is hyperlink reference, href. Okay, so using this attribute I can able to link it. Okay, how can I link in the sense? Simply exact path. For example, I'm just giving a Google URL, https://www.google.com, www.google.com, or else simply like I'm just going for zogo.com. Okay, so here I can give the specific content, which website which page redirection I'm going to do. Okay, if I click Zogo, the Zogo page will be redirected like that. Okay, here I can give URLs, any pages, live URLs, okay, pages names or website pages. Okay, anything you can link it as per your requirement, as per our page requirements. Okay, maybe you have seen in your college websites hyperlinks, right? You can see it is when seeing as Zogo, right? So what is the color of this text? Anyone tell me?
Blue.
It's in the blue color. Okay, it's in the blue color, right? So we are having some two different colors to represent that link is visited or not visited. Okay, if you visited this link, automatically the link will be changed to purple color. The link will be changed to purple color if you have already visited that link means. Okay, if that website is in your history, in your caching history, in the sense automatically it will turn into purple color. Okay, If you are not visited the link, if you are new to the link, in the sense it will be in blue color. It will be in blue color. Okay, only for hyperlinks it will be in the visited or not visited things. Okay, we can override this color. Okay, I don't want any color. I don't want underline. Then we can override with our CSS properties. Okay, we can override with our CSS. We can make like simple font, black color font for this anchor tags also. For this anchor tags also. For example, hyperlinks, mostly you can see here, this is one hyperlink, create account, login, okay, talk, the history, this everything is a hyperlink. Everything is a hyperlink, and then in between you are having the contents, right? So this everything is a hyperlinks, blue color contents. Okay. I previously explained the basic thing is Wikipedia pages. It's only for HTML. If you're using only HTML things, in the sense, Wikipedia page is a better example for that. Wikipedia page is a better example for that. Okay. So understood, right? Anchor tag. Any doubt?
No, sir. Understood.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubts, right? Fine. Here also we'll be using one more thing, one more attribute, that is target attribute. Okay. Here the value will be blank. Here the value will be underscore blank. So what are the meaning of this target in the sense? It will open the specific page in the new tab. It will open the specific page in the new tab. You click that link, it won't load the same page. It will load the same page. It will open the page in new tab. Yes, right? So it is opened in new tab. So for that we can make it target blank. For that we can make it target blank. Understood? Here. So
Yes,
that things you can use it. Okay. Now coming to the next tag called button tag. The next tag called button tag. So the use of button tag, any idea? Buttons. Where we will use buttons? In your website you are seeing buttons, right? So what are the use of buttons?
Use of typing, sir.
Generally, you are a user. You are using some website. You are seeing some different websites on a regular basis. You are using some different applications regularly. Tell me what are the use of the buttons? Where you are seeing the buttons in your regular use case in the web pages?
When we open a web page in some pages, we'll see like when we are doing an online payment, there we click the start of payment. They are all comes under
Yes,
button only.
exactly. Right. For example, simply you can tell that wherever I'm going to do any kind of click activity, any kind of click activity. For example, to sign up, to log in, to click to pay, and then to get a demo, to get a free session, to know more, to view more, uh, contact us, call us, WhatsApp us. So there will be everything will be button. Yes, right? Sir, no. So
Yes.
everything will
Yes.
be button, right? So here also the button will be used in different use cases. So normal type button, we can use it like what know more, view more, that every cases we can use it that. Okay. This is normal type button. Okay. And then we are having one more thing called submit button. We are having one more thing called submit button. You can see the structure. Okay. So the font style also, it is a different style. It's not a Times New Roman style. Okay. So again, it's a different Calibri things. Okay. Now we are having submit button. Okay, submit button is the main thing where we can use it for submitting the forms, sign up, login, registration, everything, and then for payment purposes, then for contact us, call us, WhatsApp us. Okay, so everywhere we will use submit button. Okay, so if you're using button in the sense 90% submit button only we will be using in our application development. 90% submit button only we'll be using. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Automatically, what you can do in the sense, if you click submit, automatically whenever you're having in the forms or any payments in the sense, page will be refreshed. Okay, submit in the sense page will be submitted. This clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to the next tag. So next tag is called as span tag. Next tag is called as span tag. So any idea of the use of span tag? Any idea? Okay, so let me tell you. So this span tag doesn't have any unique functionality. That means it doesn't have any things. Okay, so here we can use the span tag like it will give you some sample font size and then simple content. Okay, you can use span tag separately also. Okay, for adding small contents, and then you can use it for some other spaces also. Some to adding some icons and all, we can use this span tag and all. But the main use case is we can use span tag in between any other parent tag content. Any other parent tag content. Okay, so please mute yourself. Okay, any other parent tag content to give some additional functionality to the specific content. To give some additional functionality to the specific content. For example, functionality in the sense like I want to change this 11 players color, text color. Okay, what I can do without affecting the paragraph structure. Without affecting the paragraph structure, I can use. Okay, so I'm just writing inline CSS property using style attribute. As of now, just watch this later on. You can able to understand it. Okay, so I'm just giving the color property with value red. Okay, only this text will be changed to red color. You can see. Okay, so only the 11 players without affecting my paragraph structure. Any structure is changed in paragraph? No, right?
No, sir.
No.
Right? So without affecting the parent tag content structure, so we can able to modify any content which is present inside that. Okay, using the span tag. Using the span tag. So that is the main usage of this span tag. Okay. So next, two more tags. I will explain it and then we can work on that specific things. Okay. Next tag is like break tag. Any idea the use of break tag?
This is used to break the paragraph or any content.
It is
Use
used to
break tag.
break the content or a line space to give some line space. Okay, so I'm just using the break tag here in between this content. You can see automatically this content will be breaked, and also I'm using this break tag in between this anchor tag and then button tags. Okay, in between these two different content types. So you can see automatically that will be broken. Okay, you can see here I used break tag, so this content is breaked. Okay, as well as after this anchor tag I used break tag. So this next line it came to next line, the button and then span tag is came to next line. Okay, so it is just simply used to give some uh, breaking space or line space. Break tag. It will break the content. It will give some breaking space or line space. Okay, but only for learning purpose I explained, but don't use while designing responsive pages using Bootstrap or React. Okay, so only for learning purpose you can use it. Clear? Because we will be using the CSS property to make the responsive pages. There, if you use break tags in the sense, it won't work out properly. Clear? So only for this
Clear.
HTML things you can use it as of now. Initially for 1 week, 2 weeks. Clear?
Yes.
Fine. Next tag is like horizontal tag. Next tag is horizontal rule tag, HR tag, horizontal rule tag. So horizontal rule in the sense it will give you the horizontal line which will be in rectangular box. Okay, just zoom it and check. It will be giving in the rectangular box. This is not a straight single line. So rectangular line, simple horizontal rule. Okay, you can use it for like this. For example, in the Wikipedia pages, you are able to see that, right? This line, right? So for these lines, you can use this horizontal one. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so like this, you can use this for specific things. Okay, so now what you can do in the sense, you are going to design Wikipedia pages. Okay, whatever the tags I explained now, using the tags, design 3 Wikipedia pages with maximum 10 scroll per page. With maximum 10 scroll per page. If I scroll that page in the sense, I should see 10 scroll. I should see 10 scroll. Understood? So you need to design 3 different topics. Take 3 different topics, 3 different Wikipedia pages. Okay. So I don't want like left and right combination. You can design one by one itself. You can design one by one. I don't want this left hand combination. I don't want this kind of designs also, because I have not teach to you, right? This one and tables, these things are not required. Apart from that, whatever the things I have taught to you till now, so use the tags and design the pages. Okay, today and tomorrow before Monday login, you need to share it to me in the group.
Okay, sir.
Clear? With output screenshot and then with the coding file, HTML file. Understood? So
Yes.
use the only the tags which I explained till now. Design 3 different topics with 10 scroll per page. With 10 scroll per page. Clear? Just for your practicing purpose, so that you can able to remember all those tags, the attribute names. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you have done it. So Monday
Yes, sir.
10:30 next session. Monday 10:30 next session. So please join before 10:30. Please log in before 10:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.